Teds Woodworking projects, special price today. The world's largest database for woodworking projects as a woodworker. You may have realized that finding the right detailed plans to build some custom projects to meet specific needs can be very difficult. This is among the most common problems woodworkers face today, but luckily for you, this and other related problems shouldn't bother you. At TedsWoodworking.com, Ted Mcgrath, a certified master woodworker, trainer, and author, gives more than 16,000 plans with step-by-step blueprints for various woodworking projects. So what's Teds Woodworking all about? Building complex projects or even the simple ones to meet specific needs can be very difficult even to experienced woodworkers, especially when you can't find a detailed plan. But do not fear anymore. See inside for more details at btpshops.com/reviews/TedsWoodworking pros and cons/.
Hey everyone, Barry here in Nebraska. I'd like to give a big shout out to Ted. I recently came across Ted's Woodworking online course, and I'm so glad that I did. The amount of plans included with the program simply blew my mind. The content they offer with the course provided me with so many ideas for creative projects, as well as some awesome furniture ideas and plans that my wife now wants in our home. If you're considering buying Ted's Woodworking course, the return on your investment will be lifelong. Being one that loves woodworking, I have to say they offer the most detailed collection of plans I've ever seen. I would also rank it as one of the best values of any woodworking course I've ever taken. Thanks for creating it, Ted. You did well.